Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. All right guys, I'm going to bring you crypto news you can use in under 10 minutes. I'll give you some key points about the Binance coin lawsuit and investigation from the SEC. I'll talk about Gala Games, which is a big time project that they have going on. I'll also give you a little bit of information about somebody went missing from Shiba Inu. So you Shiba Inu army, I used to be part of that army. You need to know what's going on with Shiba Inu. And I'll also give you some big news about CRONOS, aka crypto.com. They have $100 million investment in the blockchain technology, and this is news that you must have. All right, so remember, I bring you videos a few times a week. Guys, you only need about 10 minutes of news to help you and keep you informed about your crypto projects and just helping you to just stay abreast to what's going on. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First, let me talk about Gala Games. Gala is a token that I do own. The token is only 7 or 8 cents. For 7 or 8 cents, it's worth every penny. All right, so Gala Games strikes a partnership with Fortnite creator Epic Games. Epic Games, for you gamers, your husbands may be a gamer, your wives, your sons, whoever. Fortnite is huge. It's one of the best video games of all times. And so Gala Games has partnered with Epic Games, who was the creator of Fortnite. And so their Epic's #1 competitor, Valve, they don't use blockchain games because they don't believe in them. And so we all know that Valve is going to miss out. So let's take a quick look. Gala Games will publish its titles on Epic Games Strong to bring Web3 gaming to the masses. With Gala Games partnering with Epic, they are going to bring blockchain gaming to millions and millions of people. The publishing deal will open up Gala's Web3 titles to more than 194 million users on the Epic's Game Store. Gala Games, let me say it again, Gala is going to gain exposure to 194 million users from Epic. That's why that's so big. Gala Games president John Oswald said the partnership with Epic Games would bring greater legitimacy to blockchain gaming. He further added that the deal marks a turning point for players unfamiliar with the concept of digital ownership, i.e. NFT gaming. So guys, you're going to learn a lot about how NFTs are going to be a major piece of gaming in the future. So this is huge, and Gala has positioned themselves to be a forerunner in this industry. Valve's Stream, which is Epic's main competitor in PC gaming space and also the largest game storefront, does not allow any blockchain or NFT games on this marketplace because basically they don't believe in the technology. And so that's how they're going to miss out. The reason why people miss out is because they don't have vision. Gala Games and Epic, this is called innovation, and innovation is going to take this blockchain technology to the next level. Innovation. All right, so next, speaking of innovation, let's take a look at crypto.com. Their CRONOS, crypto.com is now called CRONOS, launches $100 million accelerator for DeFi and Web3. So CRONOS has allocated $100 million for acceleration of projects in DeFi. CRONOS, a blockchain ecosystem built by major crypto exchange Crypto.com, announced the launch of an accelerator program to fast track, listen to the words, fast track, not slow walk, not slow roll, fast track advancements across the decentralized finance, Web3, and metaverse space, among others. See guys, this is about showing you all the building blocks. You can see where we're headed in terms of adoption and increased use in the blockchain. I'm just giving you pieces of information. Driving the initiative, the CRONOS Accelerator Program is backed by $100 million to help crypto projects in the seed and pre-seed stages seeking mentorship, funding, and growth. So they're looking for new projects so they can help get them off the ground, okay? And then here's the most important piece. And here's what the manager director said. Right now we're in a bear market and these companies are grinding. They are developing the blockchain technology and making it better. In the current climate, it is more important than ever to put our heads down and start building aggressively. That's why I'm accumulating. Accumulate. This is the time to accumulate, because they are building these blockchains and building the technology, and they're going to boom. They're going to explode, and I'm going to have lots of it. All right, so the Department of Science and Technology in the Philippines recently launched a program for researchers to check the feasibility of blockchain technology within healthcare, financial support, and emergency aid industries. Blockchain is going to impact every industry across the board, every industry, okay? So there we go. Now here's enough for all you Shiba Inu. Check this out. Ryoshi, he's the Shiba Inu founder. He's leaving. He walked away from the community after deleting all of their tweets and blog posts. So Ryoshi is a goner, and I'm always a little bit leery. I don't know what's going on. You put what you think in the comments. What do you think Ryoshi got going on? But he left. And he deleted all of his social media posts. So I don't know what that's about. He calls himself, he says, I am just some guy of no consequence, tapping at a keyboard, and I am replaceable. I am Ryoshi, the Shiba Inu founder, previously stated. Okay, so all right, he's calling himself a nobody. So okay, maybe he is a nobody, but we'll see. You know, there's a lot going on with Shiba Inu. They've had a lot of developments, but we'll see. You know, you just want to keep your eye. When stuff like this happens, you want to keep your eye on it. So if you still own, I owned a ton of Shiba Inu, and I was blessed to cash out for a very, very hefty profit. And so I no longer own any Shiba Inu, but just keep your eye on it, see what's going on. All right, and finally, BNB. Okay, Gary Gensler, I'm sick of him. I am, because Gary Gensler has now, he's going after BNB. And for something that he alleged that they did 5 years ago, okay? So Binance faces allegations of breaking security rules and laundering billions of dollars in illicit funds for criminals. The token mainly behaves as a utility asset within the Binance ecosystem, primarily enabling traders to earn discounts on their trading activities. Simultaneously, BNB also functions as a speculative financial asset and is also the 5th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, okay? So as a result, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, is investigating whether the ICO of BNB tokens in 2017 was a sale of securities that should have been registered with the regulator, according to sources at Bloomberg. So here's my thing. Like something that happened 5 years ago, we need crypto regulation. I am just concerned and curious. How are you going after an organization when you don't even have clear-cut rules, regulations, and procedures? I just think it's a setup, and I think it's a shakedown for money. Also, in 2017, I'm just curious, I don't know, there should be some type of statute of limitations. Like you can just come back 20 years ago, 10 years ago, and punish somebody for something. What about statute of limitations? So that's what's going on. I am not liking the direction of the SEC, because I think that they need to have clear-cut regulation and processes and procedures before they try to punish blockchain organizations. That's just my opinion. What's your opinion? Should they be able to admonish BNB for something they did 5 years ago when there were not even any rules that were set out? You tell me. So there you go. This is just a summary of all the news that you can use, crypto news in under 10 minutes. I'm going to link all of the articles in the description. Make sure you put your comments. Don't forget to click on like, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring. And don't forget, accumulate, 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 accumulate. All right, my name is Ida. I am your crypto teacher. I am not a financial advisor. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and accumulate. Until next time.